Hi everyone, I'm Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we are going to discuss the fifth kind of your concrete noun, and that is known as the material noun. Let's discuss the material noun. The definition of material noun is name of a material. It is name of a material. It is one material by which or of which different things are made is called material noun. So name of a material of which different things are made is called which noun? Material noun. Now see, what are the examples of material noun? Iron. Now iron is a material by which you make different things, like you make car, aeroplane, etc. With the help of gold you make jewelry, you make bracelets, you make uh, ring. You even I have in World Cup, mostly in football World Cup, you have seen the cup which is made of gold. In the same way, a good goalkeeper is being given a gold shoe, gloves, and good score maker is given gold, that even shoes. Even leave other things. If you go to Saudi Arabia, the people of the Gulf states, they have got even their toilets in gold. So this is what it is, a material by which different things are made. It's called material noun. Silver, by which silver we make different things, uh, and with the help of copper, which is used for electricity wires, that is known as the material by which you make different things. With the help of rubber, we make different things, like tires are being made and other things you could see in your environment. That is known as the material by which you make different things. With the help of plastic, you could see a lot of things, like most of the toys for the kids, that is being made with the help of plastic. In the same way, with the help of that plastic, we make chairs, we make other things, or maybe the sub part of any car or anything. And you could see the tables of plastic. That is what it is, a material by which you make different things. Glass, it is also one of the important material. By glass you make the glasses of a car or aeroplane or any sort of vehicle, you could see. And windows, you have seen that glasses are being used. And in the same way, it is even used, you have seen, when there are some people mostly related with the field of agriculture, so they even use it to protect the flowers from the cold, from the coldness, and from the other protection, maybe from the birds or something like. Then they use glasses around it. That is also a material by which you make that, all whatever used for the protection. After that, with the help of leather, you make the jackets, you make the shoes, and many things more, to keep yourself warm. In the same way, oil, with the help of oil you make different foods. It is also a material. Water is the best material in the world, and by help of water you make a lot of things. Sand, by which you make the buildings. Mud, by which the old buildings in the past were used to be made. And in the same way, clay, by clay we make pots, different pots. In the past time, still they are being made for cooking, and then for making the water cold. That is the material by which different things are made. In the same way, wood, by help of wood even houses are made. Ships were being made, used to be made, but not now. And in the same way, with the help of wood you make the almirah and many things more. Even houses are, in European countries, you could see near the beach they are made. So that is what name of a material by which different things are made. Now I have made one example, the others you could practice yourself. My aim to clear your concept about material. And before that, we will discuss 122 elements in periodic table. That is also known as, like, from hydrogen it starts, and helium, lithium, boron. These all are the name of materials by which different things are made. Their combination together to form a new material that is known as material noun. So name of a material by which different things are made is called material noun. Now on another example I will give you, that is, this one, iron. Now it is the very first example, this one we have taken. With the help of iron, what do we make? See, we make doors, we make a bike, we make a gate, we make a window, we make a car, we make a cycle, we make a plane, aeroplane, etc. So this is what it is, name of a material by which different things are made. It is called your which noun? Material noun. And it is, concrete noun. I told you it is the fifth kind of concrete noun, material noun. And what is concrete noun? Which we can see and touch. In concrete noun, it is then inanimate, which cannot grow, breathe and move. And that is what, with the help of this material. Now see, bike is not your material. Bike is the noun which is made by which material? Iron. So iron is your material noun. These are your materials now, material nouns by which you are making the different things. Clear? So that is known as the material noun. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with the next lecture. Goodbye.